SWANA's new technical conference, built on the essence of SWANApalooza. SOAR brings together professionals and experts from all disciplines of the resource management community, offering technical education, networking events, peer-to-peer learning, and actionable fact-based solutions. This is a must-attend event for professionals in sustainable materials management, like recycling or organics processing, collections, logistics, and transportation, landfill management, landfill gas and biogas, including monitoring, collections, and beneficial uses, waste conversion and energy recovery, as well as public education and marketing. Be a part of this newly focused conference and join us in person March 21 through 24, 2022 in Kansas City, Missouri, to participate in industry-changing conversations about your most complex challenges. See you there.